science at some point realized that like humans are biased, and they kind of like, you can kind of accidentally influence an experiment by with your biases or your preconceived notions, right? And so then the whole idea of science is like, okay, you're gonna test your own hypotheses, you're gonna try to prove it wrong to kind of like cancel out that bias, which is a very valuable thing, insight that led to a lot of progress. So like in quantum computing, there's this idea of like, in what basis are you measuring the qubit? Are you measuring it like that basis, or is it like that? It's sort of, you're kind of like asking it, what are you, a 0 or 1, or are you a plus or minus? And it'll always give you an answer in the kind of frame that you give it. If you ask if it's a 0 or 1, it'll always answer.
Yeah.
I'm a 0, I'm a 1. It won't tell you anything different because you've only asked it. Are you like polarized like this or polarized like that? But you can ask it you can bring a different context to the question, and it'll also answer that. So to me, that if you're going to map that onto psychology, you would say, okay, the sort of subconscious context or framing of your perception is deeply influencing the way you experience the reality. It's like,
It's basically the placebo effect.